Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your Fortnite Epic Games account to your Nintendo Switch account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will need to open up a web browser somewhere and head over to epicgames.com. Sign in to your Epic Games account. Note that your Epic Games and Fortnite info are the same thing. When you are logged in, tap on your profile name at the top right of the screen and then select Account. In the Accounts page, open up Connections from the left sidebar menu. Now select Nintendo Switch from the list. Click Link Account. You'll now be taken to the official login window at nintendo.com. Sign in to your Nintendo account. Once you have done that, your Epic Games account and Nintendo account will be linked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.